Welcome to the stunning 1924 Tudor revival, nestled in the heart of Louisville. Here, history and modern living meet in perfect harmony. It has been reimagined for a young family, preserving its historic charm while embracing bold, modern living. The interior design project focused on revitalizing a 1924 Tudor revival home in Louisville, Kentucky, to suit the needs of a historian and an archivist who had relocated from New York City with their newborn. The kitchen, designed around a concept the homeowners called Shaker Deco, blended local Shaker craftsmanship with Art Deco accents. Clean-lined cabinetry, a central island, open shelving, fluted brass rods, and brass knobs define the aesthetic. The formal living room includes cobalt blue Vladimir Kagan lounge chairs and a deep ocean blue sofa, offset by a vintage travertine coffee table and black and white photography. The powder room was painted a vivid citrona yellow and decorated with Schumacher Toile de Femmes wallpaper, a concrete basin, and gold-toned hardware. Original Tudor-style wood frame doors, windows, and stained glass were preserved to retain period authenticity. The original wood floors were refinished throughout, while the kitchen and breakfast room received Belgian terra-cotta star and cross tiles to match the era of the home. In the primary bedroom, rich hues and texture ruled the space, with a brinjal-painted four-poster bed, a greenish-blue wall color, yellow accents, and an Isamu Noguchi ceiling lamp. In the primary bathroom, the Shaker Deco aesthetic continued with patterned Zachary Grand floor tiles, walnut cabinetry topped with Calacatta marble, custom mirrors, and fluted glass shower doors. The shower was lined with green zellige tiles and fitted with gold Brizo fixtures. The existing interiors, altered during the 1980s and 90s, had compromised the home's architectural integrity. The designer reversed many of these changes, replacing dated windows and doors at the back of the house with steel frame Crittall versions that allowed more natural light and better flow, in line with 1920s design aesthetics.